24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Verb. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Learning objective. Students should be able to identify verbs in the given sentence. Recall. Tell the students that they will be learning about verb. Ask them to recall action words. What does action mean? Action can be some kind of a movement. For example, talking, give. I am talking to you. Please give me this book. Ask for at least one action word from each student. Introduction. Use flashcards or strips of paper for writing action verbs. Run, hop, jump, talk, eat, look, sit, ride, read, sing, dance, roll, clap, etc. Explain that you are going to play a game. Divide the class into two teams. One player from team A will be given an action verb to the player of team B. He will act the verb and his teammates guess it. Here are the rules. The player acting out the verb cannot talk. That player must just use actions. The team members must raise hands to guess. 3 guesses only, and then the other team can guess. The team that guesses correctly gets a point. Read. Ask the students to read the verbs written on the board. Recognition. Write some verbs and naming words on the board and ask the students to encircle the verbs. Cat, swim, pencil, run, read, doll, walk, sleep, doll, red, eat, pen, desk, cut, play, dog, sleep. Review and writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.